Welcome to our channel where we make your travel experience smooth and hassle-free. Welcome to our channel where we make your travel experience smooth and hassle-free. Checking your United Airlines flight status is an essential step to stay informed and prepared for your journey, and it is easier than you might think. Here's a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to help you quickly and efficiently check your flight status with United Airlines. Step 1. Visit the official United Airlines website, open your preferred browser, and navigate to the official United Airlines website. The URL is simple to remember and secure, ensuring you get accurate, up-to-date information directly from the airline. Step 2. Locate the flight status section on the home page. Look for the Flight Status tab or link. This option is usually prominently displayed to facilitate quick access for travelers who want to check on their flights. Step 3. Enter your flight information. You will be asked to input specific details about your flight. This usually includes the flight number or, alternatively, the departure and arrival cities along with your travel date. Providing accurate information will help you retrieve precise flight status updates. Step 4. Review your flight status after submitting your flight details. The system will display the current status of your flight. This includes departure and arrival times, gate information, delays if any, and other vital details such as cancellations or early arrivals. Step 5. Use the United Airlines mobile app for added convenience. Download the official United Airlines app available on iOS and Android platforms. The app allows you to check flight status on the go, receive real-time alerts, and even manage your booking seamlessly. Step 6. Sign up for notifications if you prefer automatic updates. Sign up for flight status notifications through the website or app. United Airlines offers email and text alerts to keep you informed of any changes immediately. Step 7. Cross-check with airport websites for an additional layer of reliability. Verify your United Airlines flight status on the airport's official website. Airports often provide real-time updates that complement the information you receive from the airline. Step 8. Contact United Airlines customer service if any doubts or issues arise. Don't hesitate to contact United Airlines customer service for direct assistance. They can provide the most accurate and personalized information regarding your flight. By following these clear and easy-to-understand steps, you can stay updated about your United Airlines flights without stress or confusion. Keeping track of your flight status empowers you to make timely decisions, avoid unnecessary waiting, and enjoy a smoother travel experience. Remember these tips every time you travel and share this guide with anyone who might find it helpful. Make the most out of your journey with confidence and preparation.